We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for Men 2-Packs Leather Men's Belt for Gift Men Dress and Casual, trimmed to fit. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Zitahli Ratchet Belt for Men stands out as a modern solution to an age-old accessory. It is designed for both dress and casual wear, providing a versatile option for anyone who values style, comfort, and practicality. The belt comes in a 2-pack, which immediately adds value, allowing users to choose between different looks or simply have a backup. This review synthesizes user experiences and expert analysis to provide a comprehensive understanding of what makes this belt a favorite among many and where it might fall short for some. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the Zitahli Ratchet Belt is its micro-adjustable ratchet system. Unlike traditional belts with preset holes that often fail to provide a perfect fit, the Zitahli belt allows for incremental adjustments of up to 1/5 of an inch. This means you can achieve a truly custom fit every time you wear it. Users consistently mention how this feature is a game changer, especially for those whose waist size fluctuates due to weight loss or gain. The ratchet mechanism is intuitive and easy to use, with a simple lever on the buckle that releases the belt quickly and securely. This makes it not only comfortable but also convenient for daily wear, whether you are dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual for everyday errands. The belt's construction is another area where it receives high marks. Made from premium, high-quality leather, it boasts durability and a polished appearance. The craftsmanship is evident in the stitching and finish, with many reviewers noting that the materials feel top-notch, and the belt holds up well even with frequent use. The buckle is made from a scratch-resistant alloy, adding to its longevity and maintaining its sleek look over time. The packaging also receives positive feedback as the belts arrive rolled up in an elegant gift box, making them an excellent gift option for men of all ages. The presentation is thoughtful and adds to the overall perceived value of the product. Trimming the belt to fit is a straightforward process. The back of the belt features embossed lines and numbers near the buckle, which act as guides for cutting the belt to your exact size. The buckle detaches easily using a small lever, and the internal teeth grip the belt securely once it's been trimmed. This means you no longer have to settle for belts that are too long or too short. Users appreciate this customization, especially those who have struggled to find belts that fit perfectly off the rack. The ability to trim the belt also extends its lifespan, as it can be adjusted to accommodate changes in waist size over time. In terms of style, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt is described as both modern and timeless. The leather has a refined finish that works well with dress pants, but it is also versatile enough to pair with jeans or chinos for a more casual look. The buckle design is understated yet elegant, avoiding the bulkiness or flashiness that can sometimes detract from a belt's overall appearance. Reviewers frequently mention that the belt looks more expensive than it is, and that it elevates their outfits without drawing too much attention to itself. The availability of different colors and finishes in the 2-pack further enhances its versatility, allowing users to coordinate with various wardrobe choices. Comfort is another area where the Zitahli Ratchet Belt excels. The micro-adjustment system ensures that the belt is never too tight or too loose, which is a common issue with traditional belts. Users report that the belt remains comfortable throughout the day, even during activities that involve a lot of movement or sitting. The buckle does not dig into the stomach, and the smooth operation of the ratchet mechanism means that adjustments can be made quickly and discreetly. This is particularly appreciated by those who spend long hours at a desk or who travel frequently, as the belt adapts easily to different situations. Durability is a key concern for any belt, and the Zitahli Ratchet Belt appears to deliver in this regard. Many users mention that they tend to wear their belts until they are practically falling apart, and they are optimistic that this belt will hold up for years. The combination of high-quality leather and a robust alloy buckle suggests that the belt can withstand regular use without significant wear and tear. Some reviewers have noted minor issues such as the paint peeling off the buckle after extended use, but these instances seem to be relatively rare. The company offers a 3-year guarantee, which provides additional peace of mind for buyers. In cases where the ratchet mechanism has failed, users report that Zitahli's customer service is responsive and helpful, often resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Price is another factor that contributes to the belt's popularity. Many reviewers express surprise at the quality of the belt given its affordable price point. The 2-pack offers excellent value, especially when compared to other high-end belts that may offer similar features at a much higher cost. The combination of quality, functionality, and price makes the Zitahli Ratchet Belt an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers who do not want to compromise on style or performance. Packaging and presentation are also noteworthy. The belts arrive in an elegant box, making them suitable for gifting. The packaging is secure and ensures that the belts and buckles are well protected during shipping. This attention to detail enhances the overall experience and makes the product feel premium from the moment it is unboxed. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where the Zitahli Ratchet Belt could improve. Some users have reported that the ratchet mechanism can wear out over time, particularly if the belt is used daily. While the 3-year guarantee offers some reassurance, it is worth noting that no product is immune to wear and tear. Additionally, a small number of users have experienced issues with the paint on the buckle peeling or chipping after extended use. While these cases are not widespread, they highlight the importance of proper care and maintenance to ensure the belt's longevity. Another minor drawback mentioned by some users is the initial learning curve associated with the ratchet system. For those accustomed to traditional belts with holes, the micro-adjustment mechanism may take a little time to get used to. However, most users report that once they become familiar with the system, they prefer it over traditional belts and find it difficult to go back. The Zitahli Ratchet Belt is also praised for its versatility. It is suitable for a wide range of occasions, from formal events to casual outings. The ability to switch between different belt colors and finishes in the 2-pack adds to its appeal, allowing users to coordinate with different outfits without having to purchase multiple belts. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for travelers or anyone looking to streamline their wardrobe. User reviews consistently highlight the belt's ease of use. The quick-release buckle allows for effortless removal, and the micro-adjustment system ensures a secure fit at all times. The belt is also easy to clean and maintain, requiring only occasional conditioning to keep the leather looking its best. The scratch-resistant alloy buckle helps maintain the belt's appearance, even with regular use. In summary, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for men is a standout product that combines style, comfort, and functionality in a single package. Its micro-adjustable ratchet system provides a custom fit that is unmatched by traditional belts, while the high-quality materials and craftsmanship ensure durability and longevity. The 2-pack offers excellent value, and the elegant packaging makes it a great gift option. While there are some minor drawbacks, such as the potential for the ratchet mechanism to wear out over time and the possibility of the buckle's paint chipping, these issues are relatively rare and are offset by the company's responsive customer service and generous guarantee. For anyone in the market for a new belt, whether for dress or casual wear, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt is a compelling choice. Its combination of comfort, style, and affordability makes it a favorite among users, and its versatility ensures that it will complement a wide range of outfits. If you are looking for a belt that offers a perfect fit, long-lasting durability, and a touch of modern sophistication, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt is well worth considering. Don't forget, the link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. If you already own this belt, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision.